So what would we call this entry? Collapsing dragon, correct. And we put our standard risk box on him. And now we get first leg down, second bar down. Could you take your stop here and move it to there and lock in that piece? Could you do that? You certainly could. Why not lock that piece in right there? So let me make that a red line. So if I put my stop right here, I've locked in a no lose plus dinner for 2. It held pretty happily. And now I can actually start managing this thing down to here, to here. So you decide how you want to manage that. I like to go here, here, just keep marching it down. This is starting to get problematic, starting to flatten out. When that thing gets stuck in the middle of the dragon, it's had plenty of time to turn. There's the turn of the RL10, crossing the baby dragon, a couple rising lows. That's enough. You could wait for this. That's fine. That's about +1. To get out anywhere in this region, it's about a +1R. What would we call that entry? SSC. Yep.